Now we have input data ready in our SDFS, but we also need Elasticsearch to have an index and a type. And on top of that, we want to apply a mapping. So open the terminal. In this project, you'll also find a file called mapping.curl. Open that file. And you can see we are creating an index called MapReduce. Okay. And we are creating a type called ER911 under this index MapReduce. And finally, we are applying mapping on top of two fields, emergency and township. We don't want any analysis while indexing these two fields. Okay, so let's run this file. Let's make sure it has executable permissions and then run this file. Alright, so our index is created and also mapping is applied to it, and we can go and check it in head plugin. Alright, so we have a MapReduce index created, and we can see its mapping under index metadata. Alright, so everything looks good. Okay, next we will go through the MapReduce program.